Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to password protect a PDF. So let's go to Adobe Acrobat first. Choose the file you want to password protect. Now click on Tools, which is top left corner. This option Tools. Now scroll down and you'll find here this Protect option. Click on Open. Now choose Protect using password. Now choose either viewing or editing. If you click on choose viewing, the recipient only able to view after giving the password. If you choose editing, the recipient only able to edit after putting the password. So I'm choosing viewing here. Now put the password. Now click on advanced options, then click on encrypt with password. Click on yes. Now choose the password. Here click on this require a password to open document and give the password again. Now choose OK. Give the password again. Click on OK. OK. Now if you want to open this folder, again open this PDF, it will ask you for password. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.